Pixelbin.io, the free AI image upscaler. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at Pixelbin.io, how the platform functions, how you can make use of the upscaler, that's the AI upscaler, the video generator, the watermark remover, and some other tools. Alright, so your first step as usual would be to log on to the website of interest, which in today's video is Pixelbin.io. Once you're on here, just head over to where we have create. On create, hover above AI tools, and you get to see all the tools in different categories. Tools for generating, tools for editing, and tools for restoration. I'll be covering each and every one of these tools so you actually understand what's going on. You can see some other tools as well, but those are premium. All right, so in terms of generation, you can actually use the text to image generator where you explore detailed guides and setup instructions by basically giving the AI a prompt. So create a cinematic sci-fi cityscape from a low upward angle with subtle motion and dynamic energy and some other information here. All right, so when you hover above, you can see text to video where you convert written content into short videos and also an AI headshot generator. So create professional looking headshots in seconds. The headshots are images actually, like pictures, profile pictures, business pictures. Now, the AI background generator is basically used to generate backgrounds for your photos. So if you want to be on Mars, you can use this tool. If you want to be at the Mariana Trench, you can use it as well. If you just want to explore the world, the pixelbin.io image or video or background generator is good enough. Now, in terms of editing, you could actually remove watermarks from pictures and videos. So you could remove logos, text, or watermarks cleanly. There's also an AI background remover where you can instantly remove backgrounds from your images, as well as the most important being the AI image upscaler. So you can increase your image resolution up to 4K with sharp details without having to head over to any editing platform. Everything can be done on pixelbin.io. Now we also have the object remover where you can simply erase unwanted objects from your photo. So if you have someone photobombing you or there's a scene you do not want people to see or something on your photo that doesn't require public attention, you can use this tool to simply wipe it off and it will look natural. All right, and last but not least, we have the restore section where you can actually colorize photos. So basically, you can restore color to black and white images. Let's say you have some old pictures and you're looking to add more color and familiarity on those images. You can easily do this using this AI tool. You can also remove noise, so denoise images to restore sharpness and clarity. So if you have an image that's chopped, you can simply use this to improve the quality internally. And then last but not least, restoring photos. So you can repair damaged, faded, or scratched photos. Basically, you become a walking toolkit. That's what it means, all at your fingertips. All right, guys. Now, moving over to the AI image upscaler, go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to take you over to a website for the image upscaler. Now, once the website opens up, you get to see free AI image upscaler and photo enhancer. So basically, you can transform low resolution images into crisp, high quality visuals using Pixel Beans AI powered image upscaler. It instantly scales image by 2x, 4x, or whatever is available. Now we have an example here where if you hold this line, you can see the difference between 2K and a 360p image or even less than that. You can clearly see the shift in quality as this bar or line keeps moving. All right, guys. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is how you can upload your own image. You may need to sign into an account, so make sure you have an account on the platform. You can click on the sign up or sign in option and then simply sign into your account. It's an easy process, but once you're done, you can have an account here and just simply head over to the apps or scroll here and find an image editor. All right, so like I said, the most important thing we're doing now is upscaling our images. So go ahead and click on upscale, select an image you'd like to upscale. So let's say I want to upscale this image here. It's going to go ahead and upload it first. Once it's done uploading the image to Pixel bin, all you need to do now is just make sure you're on the pro plan in order to enjoy the features. So we have the background where you can remove the background from your image. We have watermark to remove watermarks, and we have upscale. So go ahead and click on upscale, and then you can set it to 4x, 6x, or whatever. Let's just keep it on 2, and then click on apply. All right, and once you're done, you can see how it looks. This is an upscaled image. You can see the difference in quality as compared to when it wasn't upscaled. All right, so you can also chat with Kali, their artificial intelligence, that can help you out with your task and your upscaling and some other things. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.